Get detailed footage in pristine HD with the Platinum Varifocal Motorized Bullet HD-TVI camera. Improved 5-megapixel resolution offers clarity and precision at 20 frames per second. Get faster rendering and better details in 5 megapixels. The camera's 2.8 to 12mm Varifocal Motorized Lens adjusts the camera's field of view, providing optimal views for video monitoring. Experience seamless rendering when operating zoom for any quick surveillance. Supports dual voltage to provide power over long distances. Enhanced 6-matrix IR 2.0 illuminates dark objects up to 175 feet away. Comes equipped with Junction Box for quick installation and easy cable management. The robust bullet design is rated IP67, suitable for any outdoor application. Get HD quality with analog technology using CMHR9653DN-Z. For more information about this camera, call your security consultant today.